Hello everybody, this is Matthew Tormson. What you are seeing in front of you is my Great Northern Lionel Railway set that I recently purchased for my birthday back about a year ago. Now this engine is a very specific type of engine. As you can see, currently running in neutral, the sounds you are hearing are actually pretty crisp for this type of set, because of all the Lionel sets I've ever had, this one's got to be my best one. I know some of you may already seen my end scale videos, but this is my first ever Lionel video, so for any of you who leave comments in the box, please keep them nice, and to all of my subscribers out there, this one's for you. So what we're going to do first is do the rail sounds for this engine. Now what you're going to hear is some pretty nice rail sounds, because this engine is this is supposed to be the Cadillac of most of these steam sets that you're seeing in front of you. It's pretty decent, but then again, let's give this engine a listen, because this is really interesting. Now, I know some of you may not want to hear this at night if you're sleeping or about to go to sleep, but let's give the whistle a listen first. Okay, there's the whistle. And now what I'm going to do is the crew talk sounds.
Dispatcher here. You're cleared onto the main. Over. Roger that. Cleared. Outbound. Out.
So that's the one whistle notice. Now let's listen to what the bell does with the crew talk sounds. As you all can see, it does the same thing, but when the train is running, it will say precautionary things, like hold or speed low. Of course you all know, like restricted speed. It will say restricted speed whenever it does that. So that's the engine's bell, and without further ado, let's give this engine a rev and watch her run. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, there she is. The moment you all been waiting for. My Lionel Great Northern steam engine set from Lionel. Hope you liked the video, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.